Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Support the channel. Let YouTube know that you like what I'm doing, and they will send more people our way, which is always a good thing. And today we are going to be doing a look with a palette from the Black Collection from Colourpop, and this is the Make It Fearless palette. And it is absolutely beautiful. And it is one of the 5-pan palettes that they've been doing lately. And I will swatch the colors for you on my hand. And it is gorgeous, and I can't wait to make a fun, colorful look. Look, I have Lucky Cats on my shoulder. It looks like it's going to be a fantastic day. It is super snowy here and icy, and I'm staying nice and warm and cozy. I think all the cats are napping right now, which is a rarity, because usually it's as soon as I come in here, they are like, meow, meow, let's get in the box. Let's do something crazy and disturb mama. So we feel very fortunate that that is not happening so far. And this is a very bright color story, and so let's see what we can do and have some fun with it. I am going to start with the orange color, which is, I can't read it without my glasses. But if I put my glasses on, then I just have to take them right off. Ooh, it's right there, isn't it? That's almost a neon orange. There's a little tiny bit of kick up in the pan. And that is just stunning. Very, very pretty. And let's go. Where shall we go? I'm going to go into the hot pink. Which is called High Key. I can read that one. And it is just an electric. This is just an electric palette full of delightful bright colors. And that's really blending in well with the orange color. Let's get a blending brush. Ooh, electric. It is so bright and colorful. All right. Let's get the yellow. Let's do the yellow. And the yellow's got a little bit of glitter in it. There's a lot of kick up on the yellow. Oh, that's looking really dynamic. Just a little bit of the yellow under the brow, real soft. But it blends out really nicely. Woo! And there are still 2 colors left to play with. And I'm going to go into I think this is Solo or Sold. I'll kick up on that one because it is a metallic. It is just beautiful on top of these colors. And it just gives it a really beautiful shimmer. Then we're going to go into Say Yes. Some of these are easy to read, some of them are not. It's adding a beautiful depth. I'm loving it. Let's do some mascara and some eyeliner. But I love this look so far. I think the mascara and eyeliner are really going to kick it up a notch. And I'm going to use the Lurella liquid eyeliner. And that is just beautiful. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh, that's super cute. And I'm going to do a bold lip with this because I really feel like it's going to make this pop. I'm going to use, we're going to try it out, number 150 Pioneer from Maybelline Super Matte Ink. Oh yeah. That is a great match for this look. I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day or day of your choice. And I'll see you real soon.